Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're at. Thank you for tapping in once again. This is Play by Play episode 4. I am your host, Stubby. Let's get right into it. Today I want to talk about the $70 billion that have just came into the market over the past 24 hours. Now, over the past couple of weeks, we've been monitoring the markets closely, and if you're in the Fun Time Organic Telegram, then you'd know that. But today, we've seen assets like Bitcoin increase by over 11% in the past 24 hours. Cardano up over 7% over the past 24 hours. Truly, this journey is exciting to document. And again, I do want to say, take a moment to join the Telegram community with the link below and the QR code here, because we really did document the move that preceded this rally. This is something that was not just random, but it was something that we had actually anticipated. So I do want to actually take a second to look at the chart and the breakdown that we actually delivered about 2 weeks ago. After a bearish topping tail candle, white circle, and a bearish cross on the MACD, which is in the green circle, Cardano has now decisively dropped below the upward trend line, which is the purple line on the chart, and we foresee more downward price action to a target price of 0.347 in the coming days. So we actually posted this back on February 9th. Now, at the time of recording, it's currently February 15th, 2023. So let's see how this actually played out as far as what we anticipated. So after calling out the bearish topping tail in the bigger white circle, we had anticipated the downside movement to 0.347. Again, that tweet being posted on the 9th, we actually saw room to the downside, where we actually ended up dropping down to 0.346, which you can see in the smaller white circle as a macro retracement down to the second line of the Fibonacci, which is otherwise known as the 0.382 line. We officially saw it hit this price point on February 13th. But since then, we've corrected to the upside after the CPI data came out showing that inflation has cooled. It did come out higher than expected. The market had priced in a 6.2% CPI data inflation rate, and they ended up calling it 6.4, so it was a little higher than expected. We did see a little bit of red movement prior to that, which was when it ended up hitting the 0.347, but after the CPI data released, alongside with Cardano's upgrade, the Valentine upgrade on Valentine's Day, we saw massive room to the upside and a 21% increase over the past 3 days alone, with as high of a point as 41 cents. Now, because I did anticipate this initial move to the downside, I did set a buy order for 0.347. So we did end up buying at that low mark in the smaller white circle again, as you'll see here. So over the past couple of days, we are actually up within our holdings, and we are still looking to fill our bags. Don't forget to join the Telegram for more up-to-date information. And again, thank you for tapping in. This was Play by Play episode 4. I'm your host, Stubby. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Peace.